So now Larcy out some pressure out of the tire, so there is more grip on the road and we don't get stuck in the soft sand. Okay.
So we deflated the tires so we won't get stuck, but just in case, we also have an inReach with us, which means we're connected to GPS and we can use that to send a signal or call for SOS or anything if we do actually get stuck, which shouldn't be the case, but it's always good to have with you and just to be safe.
I hope you see them, but we found some guides who will guide us the way.
So we have found a herd of wild elephants. Holy shit.
Okay. Once again. Now we try to find another path because of the herd of elephants we couldn't pass, or we didn't want to pass.
And we waited for over 2 hours if they would move, but they basically didn't. So then we eventually had to move and find an alternative route. We were almost where we needed to be. So now we have to go a long way back, and hopefully there's an alternative route. Otherwise we gotta go all the way back and we won't make it to our lodge before dark.
Yes.
We have our tent, so it's not too big of a problem, but hopefully the alternative route works so we don't have to backtrack all the way to where we started.
Fingers crossed.
Made it back to the highway.
Woo!